whilst we're doing this, we can use more tools to actually make our presentations visually more attractive. So again, I'm going to click on this tool here on this picture of the guy, and I can use the border tool. So I'm going to click on border around here. I'm going to give him a 4-pixel border, and I'm going to make that border color white so we can see it. There it is there. We can also do things like this. We can right click on this and we can click on format options, and the format options comes up the side here, and I think I want to put a drop shadow on this picture just to make him stand out a little bit. Let's just make sure we can see that, so let's make it yellow so you can see where it is. We can change the distance again so you can see how big it is. Change the angle, where's the sun coming from, so you can just move this around. Where's the light coming from? About there should be good. Blur radius makes it more distinct. Opacity is how see-through it is or how subtle it is. You just slide that. Yellow's horrible shadows. Let's just make it grey now so we can see it. There it is there. Make it less opaque. There we go. And so border and a shadow on this particular object here makes it a bit more interesting. Let's make that a bit darker, I think. And make it less distance. There we go, good. We can also do this with text as well. So I could do the same things on here. You can see because I've got the format options table open, but I want to show you this reflection option here. And so I've got now I can reflect the title. We can change how see-through that title is going to be, the reflection, how far away from the object it's going to be, and how big it's going to be. So you can use the format options here to make your presentations much more interesting.